Okay, so this is the Google Classroom station. So first of all of you are going to need one of these pieces of paper, which are in the middle of the table. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to fold it hot dog style on this dotted line right here, okay? Now I know your edges won't match up perfectly, but just do the best that you can, okay? So you're folding it on that dotted line right there, and then just like the paper says, you will take this side that says glue this side to your paper, you will glue that onto the right side of the next blank page, okay? After you get that glued, you can pause the video to glue it. After you get that glue, we're then going to take scissors and we're just going to cut right here to make tabs so that it can open up, okay? And if you have questions, please ask. Now, on the inside of your tabs, you should have this, okay? This side right here should be glued down. These are the tabs then that should open up. So on the front of it, the first one, it said positive correlation. So a positive correlation is when one value increases and the other value increases. Then you can close that tab, and if you look on the front, you should have a picture like this, and you can see when one increases, the other increases. So all of these dots are relatively going up. So that shows a positive correlation because both my X's are getting bigger and my Y's are getting bigger. Okay? Then you can open up the tab for negative correlation. So when one value increases, the other value decreases. So you can see on the front, if you close that tab, there is your picture. Here your X's are getting bigger, but your Y's are getting smaller. Therefore, it has a negative correlation. Okay? You can open up the no correlation tab. Under no correlation, it says there is no relationship between the two values. And when you close that tab, you will see this picture right here. The dots are kind of placed everywhere. They're just random. They're not always increasing, they're not always decreasing. There's no relationship. Okay? Then you have your outlier tab. This guy right here, you can circle that. That is an outlier. Okay? And if you go to your definition and open the tab, it says data points that are really far away from other data points. So if you looked at that front picture again, you can see that guy's up in the corner. He's all by himself. He's far away from all the rest of the data. That is called an outlier. Okay, you can close that tab. And then you have clustering. That is data points that are grouped close together. And if you close that tab and look at the front of it, the picture of it, you can circle this right here because that is a cluster because all of those are really close together, okay? They're grouped together. So this is the types of associations that we can have on scatter plots. So now what you need to do is you need to go back into Google Classroom and click on the assignment link and complete that interactive slideshow. Make sure to push submit when you are finished.